Hello guys again, and today as you see we have a new unboxing. This is the Parkside 4-in-1 cordless combination tool. It's the model PKGA20LE-A1. Right in the corner you will see the oldest model that it was the 16-volt battery. This is with a 20-volt battery. It belongs to the X20-volt team Parkside batteries, and it can work with all the tools from Parkside. Many people asking me in the YouTube channel that if this battery it can work with other Bosch or Makita or no, it's different design. Yes. This is included a drill attachment, a multi-sander attachment, and saber saw attachment, and a multi-function tool attachment. Leon technology. Here is the picture of how it looks inside. And as I said before, the X20-volt Parkside team batteries included all that tools. Are many tools, many power tools. Very nice. Well, here we have some pictures. A 3 years warranty from Lidl, TUV quality tested. All the Parkside batteries from the 0 to full charging, 60 minutes. Accessories included inside. Let's see what we have inside, because this is an unboxing. Oh my god, so many accessories. Of course, inside we're going to find the manual. I want to read it, it's your choice. Here is some pictures, all the accessories. Here we are going to find cutting blades. Very nice. Sanding for the multi-sander attachment. And this is to attach the smaller sander. Some drilling here, some bits, flat bits and Phillips, extension for the bit. And here it is, the Parkside tool with the 20-volt battery. You can take it off. LED indicator, how much power he has. This is the drill attachment. Release it with this button, just like that. And you can put it again inside. First and second gear, left, right. Drilling, screwing 1 to 19. 1 to 19. 20-volt 2 ampere hours battery, manufactured 2018. Nozzle for your vacuum clean. This is the multi-sander. You can attach those here. This is the saber saw attachment. Let me show it again. It looks like that. This is a multi-function tool attachment. And it is for that sanding. It goes here. You can release it like that. Let's release. It's going that inside. And in the hole, just release it and it will stay there, just like that. And again. And that is the 4-in-1 cordless combination tool. And this is the battery, 21.5 volts, 2.4 ampere hours. Well guys, that was all. That's the lovely combination tool, cordless combination tool. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, of course. Don't forget to like or dislike my video. Of course, it's your choice. But definitely hit the notification bell, because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Share this video. You never know who may need it. And definitely the next video I will try this tool. Right in the corner you will see the testing video and you will see how it works with all that goodies inside. 4-in-1 Parkside, 79.99 euros from Lidl. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.